Hello YouTube, and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to wash a car for just $3 at a wash your own car wash. First of all, you got to wet the car down. So you put it on high pressure wash. The next step is $2. You put in a $2 coin first. $2 will give you about 2 minutes 40 seconds. So every dollar you put in, it's about a minute 20. So in this stage, when you're wetting it down, you must wet the whole entire car. You've got to go pretty quick because you want to wet the car as quick as you can so you can get onto that foaming brush, because you want your money to run out when the foaming brush is still foaming. Different car washes all have different settings. Another one I use has high pressure soap. So when I wet the car down first, I always use the high pressure soap. Next we have the foaming brush. So get it on there and run over to the foaming brush. This is when you foam as quick as you can around the whole car. You don't have to be fussy. Just get soap on every single panel. When you go around the first time, you're just getting the soap on, and the second time you go around, by the time you get to the second time, the soap would have stopped. So when it's stopped, that's when you get really fussy and make sure you get every little bit done. This is getting you $2 worth. Right, we're just going to speed it up now so you don't need to watch the whole thing in normal speed. So ripping into it now, just got the kids there as well, helping me out a bit, watching, taking the video. They find it a bit entertaining, they love car washes. Oh, watch out, Quinny's got some bubbles. Here we've just got the foaming brush instructions. It basically says wet your vehicle. Wash the brush down first. In this case I checked the brush first and the brush was mint, it was absolutely clean, so got into it straight away. Then it says turn on the foaming brush, go over the whole entire car, and then it says switch it to either rinse or wax. This being a $3 car wash, obviously we're just going to rinse, so that's high pressure rinse. So as you can see there, I'm going around the whole car. I do the wheels and all that at this point as well. My car wasn't filthy or anything, so that's why I do my wheels at the same time as the panel work, because they weren't really dirty. If they were really dirty, I would have spent extra money obviously and got a decent car wash. But this video is a $3 car wash video. How to wash your car for just $3. So now just hanging up the brush and getting into the next step. Right, we're going to use the last dollar. So we use $2 first. That's well and truly run out halfway through the wash with the foaming brush. Now we've put in this dollar. Now we've got about a minute and 20 seconds to rinse off the whole car. So you want to start at the top and work your way down. Windscreen, roof, then work your way around each side of the car. I'm just going to speed it up again now so you don't need to watch it at normal speed. So you see me just going around. Oh, keep an eye on the hose, it keeps on hitting the car if you're not careful, so keep that out of the way. You got to keep in mind that you've only got a minute and 20 to get it all off. So there you have it, a $3 car wash. How to wash your car for just $3. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and feel free to share it on any social media. Oh, there's a nice clean car, looking good. And also entertainment for the kids, they liked it. Look at that.
Be nice, bad jelly.